This is 35 baht, 10, 20, 35. USD, that is 72 cents, today's exchange rate. We're about to go out market hunting and see what we can buy for 72 cents USD. Can we buy anything? I think we can. Let's go find out. The hunt for what we can buy for 35 baht, 72 cents, begins now. We are here in Krabi, Thailand, K-R-A-B-I. We do have to be careful crossing the streets as we are in a foreign country and we have to look the opposite direction that you would think you would look. Now, what can we buy for 35 baht? Well, we know we're not going to get a tour, so we're not even going to bother going over there. Some of these shops are closed. It is a little early in the morning here in Thailand. But let's see. Okay, there's a lot of restaurants. I'm not going to look in there because that would be, I mean, maybe I could get a drink, but that's about it. Thai massage. Starts at 250 baht for an hour. They're not open. 250 for an hour, by the way, is an excellent price for a massage. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. I will be trying one of these famous Thai massages when we get to our next location in Thailand. Okay, so there's a Mochi suite, 1 equals 20. So yes, we can buy one suite for 20 baht. So there's our first thing we could get. And this stuff is a little higher over here. So yeah, we could have gotten one piece of candy for 20 baht. Let's see what else we can find. Oh, this guy's got coconut for 50 baht. Just a little too. Okay, there's like a, I don't know what it is, but it's 20 baht. So there's two things. That's close. That's close, guys. That's 50. We don't have 50. We have 35. Let's get the kid on the front. Check him out. We see that a lot. We see whole families on those things sometimes. Okay, I doubt we're going to find clothing. Well, there's quite a bit of clothing there for 100 baht. This guy's, he'll make you a whole suit for $29.99. Good price, $29.99 baht. Two suits for $150. And he's going to make them for you. They'll measure you, and then you leave and come back in like an hour, and there's your two suits. So we got some cannabis stores down through there. Cannabis is now legal here in Thailand. Has been for a few months, I think. You can think what you like about that. You can rent scooters here. That would be fun. This is the 100 baht shop, kind of like the dollar store in America. But obviously we only have 35, so we're going to keep rolling. I'm not sure if we would have count this or not, but I'm going to go ahead and show it to you. This is a 7-Eleven. 18 baht, 35 baht, 29 baht, 26 baht, 22 baht. So yes, we could absolutely spend our 35 baht here at a 7-Eleven, but I don't think I want to count that. That's too easy. I think we'll want to find something on the side. I'd like to find a coconut for 35 or less, and I will buy it. Because there is nothing better than having them cut the top off of a fresh coconut for you. Hot or cold. Either way. Wow, look at the orange on that tree, guys. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. What is that? Well, this has nothing to do with our Baht hunt, but there's some monkey statues on a tree, so that's kind of cool. I'll show you that. Oh yeah, we got turtles and elephants and things hanging out everywhere. Anyway, we didn't even look up. We're so focused on our Baht thing, we didn't look up, but hey, there's the beach. So, we're going to walk down to the beach. Now, if we take a right here at the beach, the shops continue for another half a mile. And then there's a night market down there, too, we've already been to. We probably will end up at the night market tonight. But we're going to go check some of these other shops out, looking for our something for 35 baht tour. Mangosteen. Mangosteen. That's mangosteen. No, that's not mango. That's mangosteen. We don't know what this is. Anyway, guys, look what we found. 40 baht. That's 5 more. I could almost count this for any of these fruit except the durian. The durians is 100, right?
Durian.
100 baht.
100.
Yeah.
Durian.
Is that good? Tastes good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. How much a coconut?
40.
Everything. You're the 40 baht shop. Okay. Very good. What do you want? You want some of that or not? We're gonna on the way back.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. Thank you. Oh, we got so close. Everything was 40. You know what? I would count that personally, but I did say 35. And that durian was 100. That is a killer price for durian, guys. We've been seeing durian outrageously priced because it's a touristy thing. You know, that's the one that's supposed to smell like old feet. To me, it doesn't smell like old feet. To me, it smells like something that's rotting. There's no cheese or feet smell. Oh, look, long-tail boat ticket right here. Anyway, we're going to continue this hunt. All right, guys, we're down around the corner here. We're still looking for that 35 baht. So we found what, 7 or 8 items now, including the. Well, how are you?
Taxi.
No, not now. Including the 40 baht store, which practically everything was 40 baht. So that was pretty cool. So we're just going to continue to look down through here. A lot of food. We're almost to the night market, to be honest. Well, okay. I did buy that waterproof case for my phone. It was only 80 baht. Not part of our 35 baht video, but we're going out on a tour tonight on the water. Plus, we're going to some waterfalls and other stuff. So we need that. So look at all this stuff is 50 baht. So close. So 35 has been the best. Taylor? No, I don't need a Taylor. Nope. I can't. I don't like it. No, just shorts. No. Thank you, though. Thank you. I got to tell you, there's a lot of vendors here, and you got to respect them for what they're doing. They're trying to make their money, but they've all been extremely polite. And I smell durian. Yep. Can always smell durian from a mile away. You know what that smell is. Anyway, if we could find some food vendors, I think we could reach. I think we could get our goal if we could find a food vendor. But so far we haven't really found a food vendor. The 35 baht remains in my hand. We're still on the hunt. I'm not one to give up, guys. I'm not one to give up. So, but we may have to. And just go back to 7-Eleven and get a 29-cent. I don't know what it was. If we could find that, we'd be done. Easy. 30 baht, a cold cocoa and iced tea. We got it, guys. We got it. We got a lemon iced tea for 30 baht. We are done.
I don't know if that's the same.
A lemon iced tea, 30 baht. Yeah, let's try. Let's see if she's open. Hello. Can we get a lemon iced tea? Thank you. Haha, mission accomplished. We did it. 30 baht, which is these 3 bigger ones right there. 10, 20, 30. Next video, what can I get for 5 baht?
A tissue.
A tissue. Maybe. Oh my goodness. And how timely was that? Because we were very thirsty. So there you go. This wonderful shop here. We're gonna get a lemon iced tea for 30 baht. Thanks for watching. That was a fun market hunt. We'll have some more of these when we get up to our next location, which is Bangkok. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell for notifications so you can see all the craziness that's gonna happen in Bangkok. And here you go, guys. One very large lemon iced tea for 30 baht. We exceeded our expectations, and we have pocketed 5 baht. So this was about 50 cents-ish? 60 cents, 50, 60 cents USD. What a bargain. It's really big. And it's really good. They have the best lemons here in Thailand. They look like little key limes. They're all green, but they're lemons. Very good.